Okay, now let's go over getting designs done and printing done as part of the ad coaching club. When you're logged in, you've got two tabs up here that you need to be familiar with: free graphic design and printing. The first thing that you need to do, again, to get anything going as far as having anything designed, is to fill out a free graphic design form, which is right here. Now, keep in mind, if you'd like, there's also a link where you can do the design yourself. If you click this, you'll go directly to that software. You do have to have a little bit of graphic experience, but fear not. If you don't want to do it, if it's more than you want to try to handle, fill out the form. We'll design it for you once per month at no charge. And to get that done, again, free graphic design. You're already probably there on that page. Maybe if you're watching this video, email us your logo. You only have to do that one time. Once we have it on file, you don't have to keep emailing it to us for each of the other actual designs, but email us the logo. But make sure that you fill out everything here thoroughly as best as you can. If you don't know the answer, just put NA or don't know or ask a question and we'll be able to do it for you. So we also, with this form, we ask you, how are you mailing it? Is Got Print mailing it? Is the mail house CNS mailing? Are they mailing it? Are you going to be mailing it to your prospects yourself as an EDDM, or you're not going to be mailing it at all if it's a brochure or whatever the case is? We just want to know. This is all about helping you make sure that we do it the right way. And put your company name in. Keep in mind too, make sure you capitalize it exactly the way that you want to capitalize it. We're just going to copy and paste whatever you give us. So make sure the text, if you email us text, if there's any changes that you want to make, email it to this email here. Make sure that it's exactly ready to go. We're not going to proofread it. We're not going to check punctuation. We're going to copy and paste it out of the email that you give us. Now, also, if you want your return address, put that here. Now, the big thing also is let us know which page the ad is found on. Ideally, put the actual link there. So, for instance, we're going to click on client postcards and we're going to, let's see, there's a pre-cleaning snow removal postcard right here. We're going to maybe either take and copy this link and copy that, or actually if you wanted to open it and copy it with the address bar up top by highlighting this and copying this, you can actually take that and put that into the link. That's ideal. Now if that's too advanced for you, it's not a problem. Just describe it as best as you can. After spring, after winter snow removal, and put as accurate as you can pre-spring. It's called, well, here, you can just even copy this. That might even be a better one. We just want to make sure that we're designing the right postcard for you, because if we have a question, instead of designing it, we'll email you back and ask you, and it could take another additional day or more depending on when you get back with us. So be as accurate as you can about telling us which ad it's on. Email us your logo and that's it. We'll design it for you. Give us a business day or two or sometimes three, again, depending on how busy that we are. Give us all the copy ready to paste into the document. After we have it designed, you'll need to email us back to approve it if you want us to print it. And even if you're not going to print it, it's nice to just let us know that it's done. That way we don't need to be able to do anything else. So again, that's how you get the design done, or go through this software right here and you can design it yourself. We do also have a quick video on how to, under the quick start guide. Let's see if we go here. There's a video when you go down here on how to use that software. Again, a little bit of graphic experience, but it's not really hard. It's not, if you have some graphic experience, you can probably watch these two videos and be able to get it done. But fear not, if you can't do it, fill out the form. Now to get it printed, go to the printing tab, which is right here, and you'll fall on this page and fill out this form as best as you can. Now, the first time that you use the card on file, you do have to put in your full credit card. We will delete the credit card right away, so that the thing that you'll have to do after the first time is put in your 4 digits and your security numbers, not the full credit card. So keep that in mind, but only do that if your credit card's not on file. If we have any problems, what we'll do is we'll put it on being paid by phone and you'll need to call the printer. If you'd rather do it that way too, you can do it that way. But if we don't have all the correct information, that's what we'll do, is we'll need you to call the printer and you can give them the credit card number of the phone. Whatever's easier for you, whatever's better for you. Put in the quantity that you want to do. Normally we'll select the print type for you. fill out if you want Got Print or the mailing house to mail it. That way we know for sure how it's going. We'll go ahead and put that here. If the mailing house is going to be mailing it, maybe put that information in there. Just, let us know kind of what you're wanting to do. And that's it. If Got Print is mailing it, click that. If the mail house is mailing it, you want to have the mailing address, go to this address here. Just copy it and then put in the shipping address right here. That way we'll know, kind of make it as easy for you as we can. If you design it yourself, give us the file that you designed and email it to this email address. It cannot be a Word document or a publisher document. It's got to be a PDF, PSD, or JPEG, and it has to be a higher resolution. There are some parameters. Look at these various links here on how to get all of that set. If you're wanting to know production details, click this link right here. Generally, they ship it out within a week. Again, it does vary. Sometimes with COVID and various things going on in the world, it's taken a little bit longer than normal, but normally it's about a week, and then sometimes a little bit longer depending. If you're interested in getting the price, you need to go to this link right here. This is their current price list, and basically you're going to need to, like, if you want to just scroll down, and they print lots of different stuff. So this is the broker rate. We do have an additional fee that I'll talk about on top of these. But let's say you want to find postcards. We're going to type in postcards. And one thing to understand, if you're looking at the price, 4-0 is one side color, the other side black ink. Okay, if it's 4-4, that's full color on both sides. So realize that. And these are the prices, very, very, really the cheapest prices that you can probably get, especially for postcards and brochures and flyers, really anywhere that you can get. 4x6 postcard, 1,000 of them is $30 plus probably $10 shipping. Now we do also have a fee that you'll be charged from Hitman that is either $20 or 7%, whichever is greater. So you'll have that additional small processing fee from us, but that's all the money that we make. Really, we don't do this to make profit off the printing. That barely covers our cost. It's mostly just to get you guys to get stuff done and mail to your clients and get all of that done. So that's it. Again, free graphic design tab first, printing tab. If you want us to print it, you don't have to have us print it. You don't have to have us design it. You can design it yourself with the software under the free graphic design, or you can print it at your own printer or wherever you'd like. But we do have those options, and it's a great part of the Ad Club membership.